Hey Scorpio, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. Lord, I've been seeing it split like two different ways. Y'all like the fourth sign. So look, I'll give it to y'all both ways. So I feel like something's getting ready to take place really soon. Like if you guys are ready for love to come into your life, I feel like you guys have been manifesting it, but be very clear about what it is that you want. You know, don't just say, oh, I want to have love in my life, I want a man, I want a woman. I need y'all to be a little bit more specific than that, okay? Y'all list it, okay? Because you could be manifesting something, but you're not specific, and you're gonna get what you ask for. But for real, I feel like you guys are on the right track. Some of you guys, there could be like an ex still lingering around you, or just like their energy is still there, and Spirit is saying they need you to release it. You know, if you want new love to come into your life, you're tired of dealing with the same old person, let that person go. Like 100%. Close that door, shut it, lock it, bolt it, whatever you need to do, okay? Because there's somebody coming in. There's definitely a commitment coming in for you, and this person could be the one that you end up being with, marrying, the whole nine, but you gotta let this other person go. For others of you, I feel like there's somebody that wants to come back into your life, so it's definitely a past person, and they're trying to decide when they should do it, because the issue is there's an ex that they need to let go of, and that's the problem. You know, some of them definitely could be committed to this person, but I feel like they're wanting to get away from this individual because they want to pursue you. They see themselves being committed to you, moving things forward, but this person does know that they broke your trust. So, alright Scorpio, let's just see how this plays out. Very interesting. Let's see how this one plays out. Alright guys, here we go. Bottom of the deck, I'm seeing the Strength card reverse. So some of you guys could be dealing with the Leo. If not, this is just telling me that somebody doesn't have the strength to approach you just yet. Yeah, somebody could be definitely dealing with an Aries. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But I feel like this person here knows that they didn't bring stability into the situation, you know, and this is why they don't have the strength to approach you just yet. Now, for a lot of you guys, I feel like I was telling you in the beginning, you're focusing on you, you're moving forward, you're healing, the whole nine. That's why you're attracting love to come into your life, and this person knows it. You know, and I feel like that's why they're a little worried, because they know that you're moving on without them. Back and forth about judgment. You see what I'm saying? It's like this person, one minute they make a decision to come towards you to speak their truth, but the next minute they don't. Maybe, you know what? I'm even hearing, for some of them, I feel like they're waiting on some type of judgment. So maybe somebody's going through like a legal situation here. And that could be why the Emperor is also reversed. Like, this is why they're afraid, that they're worried about their financial stability, because maybe somebody is trying to come after them, you know, financially speaking, you know, and that's why they're feeling stuck. That could be for some of you guys. But honestly, this person, you know, they're frustrated. They don't know what to say to you. You know, they're kind of keeping themselves closed off. See what I'm saying? Yeah, somebody could be going through something. It might be legal. If it's not legal, it's some type of money issue here, because somebody felt like they were taking a financial loss leaving this person. They do want to heal things with you, though. More so up for me. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. Tell me more. You just gonna fall on the floor. See? Three of Swords. This person broke your heart because of some type of third party situation, but I feel like they wanna fix it. Told you, they want to heal things with you. They want to mend that broken heart. But see, there's another 3. There was definitely a third party here. Hands down, Scorpio. You know, but I feel like this person definitely wants to start over, and they want to build with you. But they know that they didn't balance things out, or, you know, I can't even talk. They know that financially speaking, they feel like their money isn't where they would like it to be either, you know. See?
In order for things to improve, this is them coming to speak their truth to you. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. They're going to have to open up, but they're scared. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn here. Clarify the devil. Yep. Because look, I told you, you're going to get an offer. There is a secure offer coming in for you. Somebody could be dealing with the earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, but they're afraid things may not improve. I just keep picking up this energy about money. It's something with money here, guys. Look at that. And then the Five of Pentacles just jumped out all weird. I'm telling you, it's something pertaining to money. It's like they know that they left you out in the cold. And I feel like for whoever this is resonating for, I feel like they left you out in the cold due to some type of financial obligation, or they were worried that somebody was going to come after them financially speaking. But they know that they made the wrong decision. They want to come back and fix this with you. They want to work this out. See? They're making changes. I told you, this person was in the past. They were like being really, really sneaky. But they're making changes, and see, they're having a hard time. They're regretting everything that they put you through because, see, they're afraid you're going to walk away from them for good. See? But they have to speak their truth because they want to have a new opportunity with you, Scorpio. But this person, I feel like, yes, they're going to rush in, but I'm more so thinking they were being a player, you know, playing this little game with you. But they're coming back to give you an offer. They are. See? They want a happy home with you. They want a family with you, and they don't want to look back at what took place in the past. But see, codependent situation, there could be some type of family situation, home situation going on that they're feeling stuck or trapped in. And this is why in the past they couldn't make up their mind about what they want to do. See, they weren't being positive that they could, you know, fix this. Because it's like they want to balance things out. The way this came out, it's like they want to balance things out and make this right, but at the same time, they're afraid that they can't. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. Somebody's going to have to move. But I feel like they want to move forward. They want to move forward with you. And they want to do it really fast. This person wants to rush in. But there was just a lot of, like, arguing that took place between the two of you. A lot of harsh communication. And this is why this person's afraid that things may not improve. You know, see what I'm saying? There was a lot of conflict. This person brought a lot of drama to you, I feel like. And now they're in their head. They don't know what to do. And that's why they've been moving slow. I feel like it's just a lot of people involved here. You know? And this is why this person kept making the wrong decisions. See? Because they had you waiting. I'm telling y'all, whoever this is resonating for, I'm telling y'all something with money here. Tell me more. And I'm getting hot all of a sudden. So, yeah. Oof. That's why they're moving slow. I can't make this up. Somebody's dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Scorpio, you could be dealing with another Scorpio, but I'm seeing this person is definitely going through a transformation. They're making changes, but they're afraid they're not going to have a new beginning with you. So, yes, they're coming out of being frustrated about everything that took place, but there's justice. Your justice will be served. I'm telling you, I feel like there is, for somebody here, if it's something pertaining or dealing with money, I'm telling you, there's going to be a legal situation that takes place. Oh, Lord. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Tell me more. Yep. It has to happen in order for things to balance out. Somebody had to go through their karmic lessons. They had to. And see, now this person is frustrated because I feel like they see the truth. And now they're frustrated that they lost you for good. So, this is them making a decision. Let's see. They're making a decision, but they feel like they're not going to be able to have that love with you because they messed up. They know that they caused an imbalance here. Yep, and they're afraid you're going to cut them off. Somebody's dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. My mind is all over the place. I don't know if I said Gemini. If I did, sorry, y'all. But I'm telling you, this person's going to come back to give you an offer. But they're afraid that they're not going to have a victory with you. Yeah, because they messed up, see? See what I'm saying? These two queens, even though it's some stuff right here separating y'all, I'm telling you, there's two people here. So, somebody could have been dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Look at that. You see what I'm saying? It's like there's three different people here. You have two people I'm seeing that are meant to be with each other, and then it's just all this mess in between and this other individual that's stopping it. So, yep, this is why they weren't putting in the work. This is why. But see, didn't I tell y'all this was a lesson for them? Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. Now they're sitting back thinking about everything. Because see, the way the Seven of Cups came out, this is them having other options, them trying to figure out what to do to move forward and get out of the situation. But at the same time, they don't know how to make things right. They're not sure how to fix this. But Spirit is saying they're not listening to their intuition. Shut up. You see what I'm saying? Y'all, this is your person. Scorpio or cross watcher, if you're dealing with a Scorpio, this is your person hands down. When I get these two cards, even though one's reversed, one's upright, this is definitely twin flame, hands down. Do you hear me? Twin flame. The thing is, you guys are not on the same page. This person isn't listening to their intuition. I feel like they want to have a commitment with you. They want marriage. They want to move forward, but they're still being stubborn, you know, and because they don't know, one, what you're going to say. They put you through a lot. So I'm seeing that, again, they made a decision. See, that? Look, I can't make this up. They want a commitment with you. They want to be with you. This could be going towards, like, soulmate as well. Y'all know, I really don't care about the titles, but I'm telling you, this is your person. And y'all know it. Y'all just over it. Y'all are over this energy. Y'all like, bring me somebody new. I'm tired of dealing with it. But what's destined to be, it's going to happen regardless. Because, yeah, a lot of you guys have been healing from the past. And this person wants to heal things with you. But because they keep thinking about all the different swords that they stabbed in your back, this has been going on for a long time. It's like, they don't know if they can fix this. That's why there's little to no communication. See? That's why they don't have the strength to come towards you just yet. Somebody could be dealing with the Leo. I'm telling you, they feel like they're not going to have a new opportunity with you. All right, let's see. Yep. That's why they're not moving forward just yet. This person's still going through lessons. They need to get out of their head. They're really feeling like they can't turn things around, but they would like to have a new beginning with you. But I'm telling you, somebody's worried about their money. They're not content with finances. I feel like for whoever this may be resonating for, it's like a small percentage, what I'm getting ready to say. But if somebody leaves a situation, I feel like it's something with their money, like whatever they built or whatever they have with someone else is going to basically fall to the ground. And they know it. Whether they have a business with someone else, whether or not like they have a home or they live with someone else, whether they have children. It's something like it, because I'm telling you, somebody knows they're getting ready to take a financial hit. They might have to pay. They're going to have to pay out. And that's why they're so worried about their money. Yep, this is why they're not taking a leap just yet. Did I just say they're worried about their money? I can't make it up. Somebody is worried about their money. But Spirit is saying they're going to come out of that worrying energy. They're going to come out of being frustrated, and they will speak their truth. Tell me more. Yep, I told you. They're coming out of being frustrated about this situation because ultimately they want happiness with you. Look, the seeds that they planted with you, they want them to grow. They want a family. You're their wish fulfillment. They know you're the one for them, but see, they're still keeping quiet. This person needs to speak up. They don't open up. Somebody's dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio, and see, right now they're trying to make a decision on how exactly to come towards you with this information. And Spirit is saying they will have the confidence to come towards you, but see, they're still back and forth with the hangman. So I'm telling you, it's like 1 minute they're having a hard time coming towards you. The next minute they're like, okay, I'm going to do it. I'm going to speak to Scorpio or crosswatcher. If you're dealing with a Scorpio, they're like, I'm going to come and speak to, my person. But they're still moving a little slow to do it. This person's taking their time. Because, see, look, Nine of Pentacles, I can't make it up. Not only do they want to have a peace of mind when it comes to their finances, they want to make sure financially they're okay. This is them needing to get out of whatever situation that they're in order to make things right with you. See? Because if not, you're not going to take that offer. Somebody's dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius, but this person's interfering. Whether this is like a mother figure, their mother of the child, mother of their child, children, whatever. There's still somebody interfering, third-party energy, and that's the problem. See? Family situation. I cannot make this up. And this is why this person's afraid that they're not going to have a new beginning with you. Bye, Scorpio. Bye, Scorpio. Bye.